Hi, and welcome to the Tutor Forum Rewind, brought to you by Hawaii Literacy's Adult Literacy Program. In this mini workshop, we will be focusing on blocking for fluency. Using a highlighted reading guide or strip, or using an index card to guide reading will help the brain process information in an organized way. The guide helps to focus the reading because it blocks out excess words and information. The reader is able to keep track of place and can reduce skipping lines or over words. The strip helps to chunk the reading so that the reader can focus on one sentence at a time, which, over time, strengthens visual tracking skills. Readers who use the strips can also be reminded to track from left to right. Utilizing reading guides is proven to increase reading rates because readers are able to track sentences smoothly. The colored blocks may reduce the visual stress that readers who are dyslexic may experience. This sensitivity is known as scotopic sensitivity syndrome. Reading through colored blocks works much like glasses with colored lenses to relax the eyes. Readers can choose a color that works best for them. You will need some see-through plastic binder dividers, index cards, some tape, and cutting tools. I also have a fine tip marker handy to use for marking where to cut. I start out by measuring the plastic to the size of the index cards. I cut 2 strips for the top and bottom of the reader. I use the lines on the index card to help guide where the plastic should be taped. Using the lines will help to keep everything straight. Depending on how thin or thick I want the reader, I can put the plastic higher or lower on the strip of the card. When you get to the desired thickness, tape down the plastic and ensure that the tape does not cross into the clear part of the reading strip. Flip the reader over and voila, ready to use. Elkonin boxes are a simple way to help build phonemic awareness. The boxes help to deconstruct words by segmenting phonemes in words. It helps learners understand the alphabetic principle and reinforce that letters represent sounds. This is wonderful to use because it supports a variety of learners, such as visual or kinesthetic learners. The boxes help to support readers with dyslexia because it is so multisensory. The boxes are also very customizable. The learner can use various ways to segment words. They can place tokens in the boxes or circles for every sound. They can also tap boxes or circles. Learners can use a token to slide out of a box or circle. Many Elkonin boxes have arrows to use when the reader blends the words. This visual support can help the reader track from left to right and help keep sounds in order. Some boxes also come with a writing component where learners can practice writing after segmenting and blending. Making your own reusable Elkonin box is very simple. You will need some clear sheet protectors, the smooth, non-textured ones, some cardstock, and some tape or glue. There is a vast variety of Elkonin boxes that are free to print on the internet, so find the ones that you like and print them out. Once printed, I like to either print the box out on cardstock or glue the paper to a piece of cardstock just to make it sturdier. Once printed, simply slip the cardstock into the sheet protector and there you have it, a reusable Elkonin box ready to use with any dry erase marker. Thank you for watching Tutor Forum Rewind. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss your monthly rewind.